right, back here at Tom's, getting started on Miss Hazel. We love Hazel. She's so awesome. Anyway, last time we were here, I found a leak in the evaporator core in the AC, which luckily is an Underdash unit, so I can pull that out and then swap the evaporator coil out pretty easily. Yep, Tom got us a new one. Very nice. I've already started on pulling our evaporator out. Got this side unbolted. I'm going to unbolt the other side and do our electrical connections, and then we'll get it up here on the bench and get it swapped out. Got the Underdash Select Air HVAC unit out from underneath the dash. All ready to rock. Gonna get this disassembled and carry on. Right, so got the front part off here. Our wiring for our speed control. That's been replaced at some point. The switch is obviously new. Come on, baby. Connectors off. Okay. Now this switch, it's got a sending unit and all that. I'm gonna take this stuff all apart here. Nope, that old decal. That old decal. And the actual date stamp. October 23rd of 63. That's pretty cool. Alright, so glad I didn't unwrap this yet. We're gonna play everybody's favorite game of one of these things is not like the other. So here is our evaporator core. Here is our OE core. Here is our one that is supposedly right, and it's obviously not. Completely different, completely wrong. God. So, fun. You get to tell some bad news to Tom today, which sucks because I hate giving people bad news. But original Air Group, classic auto Air. The guy that Wick and I refer to, if you see in some of his GTO videos, as fucking Curtis. You know? Fucking Curtis fucking fucked up again.